Why use exercise for stress relief?
Exercise is a proven way to manage and lower stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, and helps reduce anxiety and tension. Starting a regular routine can improve your sleep, increase energy, and create time for self-care. Focusing on exercise as a stress tool helps your body and mind cope better with daily challenges.
What type of exercise works best?
Any exercise that gets you moving can help reduce stress. Activities like walking, jogging, biking, yoga, or swimming are excellent options. Low-impact activities and gentle routines are also effective. The key is to choose something you enjoy, so you are more likely to stick with it and make it a positive part of your day.
How can I get started with a routine?
Start small and set achievable goals. Aim for just 10 to 15 minutes a day at first. Short walks or beginner classes count. Pick a consistent time, such as mornings or after work, and set reminders. Track your progress with a journal or app, and celebrate small milestones to build motivation and confidence as you form your new habit.
What if I struggle to stay motivated?
Make exercise enjoyable and rewarding. Try different activities to find what makes you feel good. Invite a friend to join you or listen to music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Remember, it's okay to have setbacks. Just focus on getting back on track. Linking exercise to stress relief, not just fitness, can help keep you motivated over time.
How soon will I notice stress relief?
Many people feel better after just one session. With regular exercise, stress levels often decrease within weeks. The mental health benefits build over time as your routine becomes part of your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Keep your expectations realistic and focus on the positive changes you notice day by day.